Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which Switch controller you have, because pairing choices differ between Joy-Con and Pro controller. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and clear any old Bluetooth pairings to avoid conflicts. This ensures a clean connection path. Make sure the controller has at least 20% charge so the radio stays active during setup. Once done, put the controller into its pairing mode. Hold the sync button on the Pro controller, or detach both Joy-Cons and press their sync buttons briefly. Once the controller is discoverable, locate it in your phone's Bluetooth list, typically labeled Pro Controller or Joy-Con L and Joy-Con R. Tap the device name to pair and accept any permission prompts. This authorizes input and keeps the connection stable. After pairing, open your game or controller mapping app to verify inputs. Many mobile titles accept standard mappings, but some require manual remaps so buttons match in-game actions. If using two Joy-Cons, pair them individually. Finally, test every button and analog stick in a controller tester or within your game to confirm responsiveness and dead zones. If inputs are laggy or drop, repair the controller, restart your phone, and check for firmware updates on the controller or OS updates on the phone. These steps resolve most intermittent issues. If Bluetooth remains unreliable, consider a wired USB adapter or a compatible Bluetooth dongle for your phone. They provide a cleaner link and eliminate most wireless interference problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.